But like your jokes, it keeps returning over and over again.
No one said you could touch my chicken! It is impossible to chill with my mad beats with all of you arguing and chewing and arguing and swinging and reading and arguing! Thank goodness it's almost time for us to go home.
Agree!
You think about all the things that you love to do. It all comes true. You find a place you never knew where you're happy to. Just be you. We can be who we wanna be. At Littlest Pet Shop, you and me. We can be who we wanna be. At Littlest Pet Shop, you and me. My name is Blythe, and I'm stacking cans. Yeah, I can stack them like no one. Can. Littlest Pet Shop. We don't sell pets, but we do sell hopes, dreams, and kibble. Blythe speaking.
Hello, Blythe. It's Mrs. Twombly, owner of Littlest Pet Shop and your boss.
Oh, hi, Mrs. Twombly. What's up?
I just wanted to let you know that the man from the cable company still hasn't shown up. So I guess I'm stuck here till he does.
Oh, sorry to hear that, Mrs. T.
They tell you they're going to be here at a certain time, and it's anyone's guess as to whether they'll actually show up. Ugh, my day's been a complete waste, and now I hear they're expecting a freak snowstorm.
A snowstorm?
Yes! According to the Interworld Webby, it's a rare kind of storm called a blizzard, and it's expected to drop a ton of snow any second now.
Really? I don't see any... Whoa.
Blythe, is everything all right?
No, Mrs. Twombly, it's not.
We're completely snowed in! Yes, Mrs. Nebula, I understand. None of the other owners can make it here either. I'll take good care of Sunil for you until you can make it to the shop. I bet the pets will love hearing they get to hang out together for a few hours more.
Thanks for the lift! Holy friholies! That is a lot of snow.
Hello? Dad? Where are you? We're snowed in!
I can see that, Blythe. I'm right out front. Just gotta dig through a little bitty bit of snow and you'll be snowed out. That ought to do it.
Hi, everyone. Okay, everyone, settle down. Didn't you hear the big loud rumble and thwomp a few minutes ago?
No, we were too busy getting ready to go home. So, when can we go home?
That's just it. The loud rumble and thwomp was a blizzard. We're up to our windowsills in snow.
So, when can we go home?
That's what I'm trying to tell you. There's so much snow in the city, your owners are all stuck at work. We're all snowed in.
Snowed in!
Do you mean that we have to stay here?
With each other?
I'm afraid we have no choice. Now, if we weren't all such great friends, this might be downright bad news, right? What's wrong with everyone?
We've had kind of a hard day back here in the day camp. You know how it is. You spend a lot of time together. Some might say too much time together. And when that happens, it's inevitable that some pets...
Get on your nerves! Your last nerve!
You're all talking about me, aren't you? Huh? You mammals are all alike.
It's not always about you, Vinny! But in this case, it is.
Oh, cue ball!
Okay, knock it off! I understand you're all having one of those days, but it's a snowy mess out there. So what we're gonna do is make the best of it. Now take off your coats and hats. My dad's right up front, and he's gonna dig us out.
Made it! What the hell? Oh, I knew I should have been checking my compass attachment as I dug. Oh well, lesson learned. Okay, Littlest Pet Shop is directly in front of me. Once more unto the breach, dear Baxter! Once more!
Come on, can't we all just have some fun?
We don't have time for fun. Not that this bunch has been a barrel of laughs lately anyway.
Okay, what did you have in mind?
I suggest that we pay attention to the serious nature of our predicament. We're snowed in, and we have limited supplies.
We have limited supply.
And another thing, does it seem like it's getting kind of cold in here?
Now that you mention it, yes. Oh no, the heat's out! Okay, everybody, it looks like the heat went out.
The heat went out?
Now there's no reason to panic. Just put
put your coats back on and you'll be fine.
This is serious, Blythe. We need to enter survival mode immediately.
Russell, I think that's a great idea.
It is?
Of course, Russell. You need to do what you do best. Come up with a plan that will save us all.
Well, since you put it that way, I'll do it.
Hey, how come Russell's always the one who gets to come up with a survival plan? Why can't I make one and save us all from the freezing cold?
Yes, I am perfectly capable of designing a clever bit of planning that will ensure our survival in these troubled and chilly times.
What he said.
Why don't you all work together on a plan? I don't care how cold it gets in here. There's no way I'm working with her. Ditto, sunshine. I'll work on my own plan to save us all.
No one's on my
What the double how? Largest ever pet shop. I'm halfway across town. How did I get all the way over here? This thing must be frozen. Oh well, third time's a charm. I hope.
Let's see. Emergency flashlight. Check. Emergency first aid kit. Check. Emergency astronaut food. Astronaut food? Okay. Emergency astronaut food. Check. Speaking of check, I better go check on the pets. This isn't how we're supposed to spend a Blitzer day. We're supposed to be happy and having some fun. Together. When you're feeling cooped up with your nerves about to fray, if you just change your attitude, there's still time to save the day. People in Alaska, yeah, they do it many ways. If you ask them what it's called, I'll tell you, here is what they'll say. You just chase away the winter blues. There are many ways to choose. You can dip some candy apples. So hard if I do. You just chase away the winter blues. I'm not talking ballyhoo. You can play a movie star and have your friends do interviews. Oh, I like that! Grab some sofa cushions, stack them side by side. We'll build ourselves a pillow fort.
Did I make it way too high?
Chase away the winter blues. Ask the people in igloos. We can just start acting silly and hop around like kangaroos. What's so great about sticking to yourself? Go grab a bunch of books and pull them off the shelf. Start to read aloud, 'cause it's a story kind of day.
Ooh, can you please read this scary one about zombies who crochet?
It's how we
Chase away the winter blues. Write a play starring the news. We can make them out of sweat socks.
Have them talk using kazoos.
Chase away the winter blues.
Dance ballet in pink tutus.
You will cheer up and be happy when you chase away the winter blues. Yeah, we'll cheer up and be happy as we chase away the winter blues. I guess not. Hey, hey, hey! What do you say? Buttercream is here to play! Ta-da!
Hey, Buttercream.
Hello. What's the buzzy, Buzzy Wuzzy? What? What? Anywho, I just came over looking for some fun. How come everyone's so gloomy, extra doomy? We're kind of in a serious situation here, Buttercream. Snowed in and no heat. Oh, that's right. So freezing in here. Yes, and we're all trying to come up with separate survival plans. By ourselves, alone, without any help, or by working together. Separate? That sounds crazy to me, and I'm a crazy bunny. Ooh, pretty nummy numbers. Hey, Skinny Vinny, you want to play a game of butterscotch?
No time right now, Buttercream. I gotta come up with a plan to save everybody from freezing.
Much as I hate to admit it, the reptile is right. Because these knuckle pets are going to be a mess of frozen trouble if I don't come up with a plan. Pose! Oh, yes, that will work. And pose. Oh, no, that doesn't work. Ugh. No. What's wrong, Snowy Zoe? I'm trying to come up with a way to use glamour and beauty to help us survive. Makes sense. Hey, Minga-Dinga-Diddly-Doo! No, too busy to play! Did I mention that all of our lives are in danger
weird kid.
Dig, 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 diggity dig. Dig, 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 dig.
Cable guy!
Wow, they got you guys out working in weather like this?
Work never stops for us basic cable troubleshooters. Unfortunately, I got a little turnaround in this here snow tunnel.
Where are you headed? Oh, okay. Oh, you're very close. Yeah, just take this tunnel back about 100 yards, then turn right near the partially buried mailbox, go another half mile, and you're there.
Thanks, you're a lifesaver.
Good luck.
Diggity, diggity,
Dig, 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 diggity dig.
Howdy-ho, hi, Blake.
Hi, Buttercream.
Not sure what's going on in there, but your pet pals are the downiest of all the downiest downers.
What?
What? Anywho, why is everybody so grumpy?
Oh, well, they all just have one of those days where they were each doing their own thing, and then their own thing totally got on each other's nerves. You know what I mean?
Yeah! Not really. All I know is they're not as funny as they usually are. Like the time we all got stuck in the candy pantry. Now that was the funniest time ever!
Wait a second. You just gave me a great idea of how we can get the pets to all get along again. Buttercream, you're the scooch-de-booshiest of all the scooch-de-booshes.
What?
What?
Anywho. No, seriously, what does that mean?
North Pole? Oh.
Not bad. Not bad at all. Well, everyone, I've come up with a snow survival plan.
Me too!
Same here.
How's the plan, everyone? It's ready! I'm good to go!
Alakazam, I've got my plan. Okay, that is not a pure rhyme, but I think my meaning is clear.
Honey, I've got my ideas all worked out, and they're plantastic.
Dark! Now we don't have heat or power! How can this get any worse? Hurry, hurry, Spicy Curry! Blythe is trapped in the storage room!
We have a storage room?
Come on, Buttercream. What's taking so long?
Lloyd, you okay? Lloyd, we're coming for you.
Sorry, Clyde!
Help! I'm stuck in this small enclosed space, which is also cold and dark. It's driving me bonkers. As anyone outside the door might well imagine.
Blythe, lucky for you, my plan includes escape routes from each area of the pet shop. Now, do you happen to have a whiteboard and some dry erase markers in there?
Well, my plan includes ideas on how to remain glamorous in an emergency situation. Okay, I want you to strike the most glamorous pose you can think of.
What Blythe needs is my plan, which contains actual jokes for a trappee to use when trapped Ed, so that she doesn't have to think about being trapped, or something like that. For example, Blythe, what's white and stretchy and lives in Tibet? The abominable rubber chicken! Yeah? Right? Wait.
Oh, it's so funny I forgot
Rubber
to
chicken
laugh.
again. How predictable.
All of those plans sound great, but in the meantime, I'm still trapped in this tiny enclosed space, and it's tiny and dark and cold. Blythe, my plan has a list of all the best survival foods to help you keep warm.
Is bamboo the only thing on the list?
Yeah, how'd you guess?
Blythe, the key component of my completely comprehensive plan is using mind over matter to force you into survival mode.
How is that gonna help me get out of this cold, dark, and tiny room?
Magically. Okay, it is obvious that I need to work on my minding over my mattering.
I got a plan!
What's your plan, Mika?
You rechannel all your cray-cray banana pants energy when you're trapped in a tiny, cold, dark space on a snow day. Ooh, I want to hear about that plan.
Okay, where should I rechannel the energy? And why?
I was hoping you knew.
Buttercream! Here, little bunny!
Gotta go, go, go! See you so soon! Hope you get out someday, Blythe.
Bye, Buttercream!
Blythe, I have a plan, Blythe.
You're kidding.
Finny, that's the formula for nuclear fission.
Is that what this is? Well, that's not gonna work for this situation.
Everyone listen! I'm sorry, but none of those plans are gonna work. You're gonna have to come up with something together to get me out of here.
Blythe's right. Okay, gather around, everyone. My plan is...
Oh, no, you don't, Russell. You're not taking over again. My plan is just as good as yours, if not better.
Blythe! You got out!
With no help from you guys. I got so tired of listening to you argue that I gave up on trying to get you to work together and just came out.
So you were just acting trapped?
Yep. Bravo, Blythe! Well played.
I made it!
What was that?
Dad!
Hi, boys!
Don't worry, Dad. I'll get you out of there. It's stuck. What am I gonna do?
Wait! How do we know this isn't another one of your pretending to be trapped to get us to work together tricks? Ow!
I need to get someone down here, but who?
We gotta do something to help.
I got a plan! I got a plan! Hey,
Something together!
He's right. Russell, start us off.
Really?
Yes!
Okay, first, we've got to get that door off its hinges.
I'll take care of the bottom hinge. I can do the top hinge.
Vinny, Pennyling, and I will get a step stool to reach the other hinge.
What's a step stool? Ow!
Blythe's dad is going to be freezing once we rescue him. I'll get some blankets.
Great!
What are you all doing?
We're working together.
You'll be out of there in no time, Dad.
Okay.
Sorry it took me so long to get here, Blythe, but I had a hard time finding my way through all that snow.
That's okay, Dad. I'm just glad we're all together.
I just want to say that I'm sorry for being so grumpy all day.
Yeah, me too. I'm sorry.
sorry too, you
I
guys.
kind
Me too.
of started. Group hug. Anybody here? Mrs. Twombly? Snakes in a paper bag. What happened here? My dad was trying to get in the front door and got stuck, so I had to take off its hinges. You should have tried the back door, Roger. No snow back there.
I can't believe it.
I can't either. I waited all day for that cable guy, but he never showed.